Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Looz enema. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Intas Pharmaceuticals, Ltd. Looz enema. Uses. Looz enema is mainly used to treat constipation and to cleanse the intestines before surgery. It also plays an important role in treating a serious liver condition called hepatic encephalopathy. Benefits. The key benefit of Looz enema is in managing hepatic encephalopathy, a serious condition caused by liver failure. It reduces the level of ammonia in the blood, which helps improve brain function and reduces confusion, shaking, and sleep problems. Side effects. Like all medicines, Looz enema may have some side effects. These can include abdominal pain, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, or irritation at the application site. Always consult your doctor if these symptoms become severe or persistent. How to use. Using Looz enema is simple. Lie on your left side with your knees bent. Gently insert the enema tip into your rectum. Squeeze the bottle to release the liquid, and then remove the tip. Stay lying down for at least 5 minutes to let it work effectively. How it works. Looz enema works through osmosis. It draws water into the intestines, softening the stool and making it easier to pass. This not only relieves constipation, but also helps remove toxic substances, like ammonia, from the body.